Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic FreeCAD 1.1 how to move sketch. So you can go to parametric body, click new sketch, and I will choose the top plan. So as example, you can draw a rectangle from this point and then set for the dimension size to the lines. So if you want to move freely this rectangle, you can select the rectangle object and then we can use move or array transform, or you can type W. You can click and I will click from this point. You can move to another point. After it, you also can set for the distance by using the dimension tools. Click like from this point into here. Set for the distance here. You can set like 20, and also in horizontal 20. So if you want to move against this object, you can select the sketch and you can click again move or array transforms. I will click from this point, move to another area. So distance from the origin point will be automatically erased. Okay, that's it for basic FreeCAD 1.1 how to move sketch.